The stall speed interactive calculator determines aircraft stall characteristics under various flight conditions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include calculate stall speed standard, calculate stall speed banked turn, calculate maximum weight for target stall speed, calculate required CL, max, for target stall speed, calculate required wing area for target stall speed, and calculate load factor from stall speeds. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate stall speed standard. Next, enter your aircraft weight W in pounds, wing area S in square meters, maximum lift coefficient CL, max, and air density R in kilograms per cubic meter. Additional fields include bank angle F in degrees, target stall speed Vs, stall speed clean V as 1, and stall speed loaded V as 2 in knots. For our example, I'll input aircraft weight of 3,000 pounds, wing area of 16.2 square meters, maximum lift coefficient of 1.45, and air density of 1.225. After clicking calculate, the results show a stall speed of 14.44 meters per second, which converts to 28.07 knots. This represents the minimum airspeed at which the aircraft can maintain level flight under these specific conditions. The other output fields remain empty for this standard calculation mode. This tool streamlines stall speed calculations for aircraft design and performance analysis. Find the link in the description below.